In this guide, you learn how to send your location on Messenger. Let's get started. First, launch your Messenger app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the chats page. Then open the conversation where you want to share location. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different option. Click on this plus option given at the bottom left. Now select the option location. If this is your first time using the location sharing feature, Messenger will ask for the permission to access your device location. Click on continue. Then set it as while using the app. Once you have provided the location permission for the Messenger, it will automatically detect your current location. To share it with other person, tap on start sharing live location. Your real-time location will immediately be shared in the conversation, allowing the recipient to see where you are. This feature is especially useful when meeting up with friends, coordinating travel plans, or letting family members know your whereabouts. And that's it. You now know how to send your exact location in the Messenger app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.